iOS 12 has arrived, bringing many new features like Siri improvements, ARKit 2, Memoji for iPhone X, and much more. While some features were highlighted on stage during the WWDC keynote, some nifty additions are now being found, thanks to early developer adopters. Newly spotted features include SMS spam reporting, support for automatic updates, and multi-user Face ID support has also been introduced. Now, a new much-needed change has arrived with iOS 12, intended to make iPhone X users' life easy. Closing apps on iPhone X was a bit of a task, and users had to swipe up, long press on the cards of recent apps to see a list of applications that were open. Now, with iOS 12, simply swiping up will pull out a list of apps that are open, and then users can just swipe them out of the window to close them. This is how it works on all iPhones from the start, where you have to double press the home button to see open apps. This uniformity has been brought to iPhone X as well, with iOS 12, and it was first spotted by developer Dom Esposito. However, there is still no option to close all apps at once. You can install iOS 12 Developer Preview from Apple's developer portal right away. The public beta is out later this month, and iOS 12 stable release will be released with the latest iPhone variants in the fall of this year. Eligible devices include iPhone 5s and later models, all iPad Air and iPad Pro models, iPad 5th generation and later models, iPad 6th generation and later models, iPad mini 2 and later models, and the iPod Touch 6th generation.